Well, hi there. Welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We're up here in Gilbert, and it's the beginning of an event, and we're gonna take Ruby here and try it out on the MMT, the Mesabi Mountain Trail. We haven't done anything to it yet. It still has the stock steering linkage and 35-inch tires, so we're gonna have to be careful about that. And we haven't put a winch bumper on the front either. We have some Yankum recovery gear, so I think we'll be all right. Anyway, we're gonna head over to get on the Mesabi Mountain Trail with a group of Jeepers and see what it's like. All right, we're ready to go. We're just gonna go in and drop off a couple of picnic tables and a couple of spots, and they're up there. I don't know if you can see them, but we're just going to drop off a couple of picnic tables and a couple of spots and maybe trim some branches or a tree or two. But we'll see how it goes. We'll see how this Jeep Rubicon with factory steering linkage handles this trail. So that's one of the gatekeepers, so to speak. If you have trouble with the two gatekeepers, that's the first one, and the second one's coming up here. If you have trouble with those, then you have no business being on this trail. You have to go around the gatekeepers, you aren't going to make it through this trail. Then you turn into the woods and start down the trail. Make it over the bridge, you start the trail. Just gets tougher from here. The Mesabi Mountain Trail follows along the Laurentian Divide. The Laurentian Divide is a divide between the rivers that run north to the Hudson Bay and the rivers that run south to Lake Superior and to the Mississippi. Lockers on. That's the beauty of the Rubicon package. Factory lockers front and rear. And yes, my front locker is working. It's just the feedback circuit that has an open in it. Abby's boyfriend was following along, and Abby, of course, they were following along because they had never been on the Mesabi Mountain Trail, so he wanted to give it a try. Abby, of course, has been on the Mesabi Mountain Trail a couple of times. Well, Abby's boyfriend did that okay. She didn't last, and we ripped the lower control arm mount right out of the frame, and it's a soft spot, and it's we got to get the link out of there, and then we'll see if we can limp it out of here on 3 links. So we aren't going to make it out with 3 links. we're ripping the other one off too. Yep, it needs some repair to the frame. So I guess it's time to go get the tow truck. Well, we came and got the tow truck. I thought I could have a day of fun, but I guess not. We have to go get the Rubicon, and yes, it's a rotten frame. We'll have to get the repair kit. That'll be in a video. All right, well, here we go, in on the Mesabi Mountain Trail with the wrecker to go get the Rubicon. Well, Mara had her back surgery and she's sleeping back in camp. I don't know how mad she's gonna be, but I wanted to try out the Rubicon. I actually missed driving my Rubicon. It's been a long time, and I just wanted to try it out. See what the weak links were. Well, I found them. Luckily, it isn't too far in. And we should be able to get it out without any trouble, I hope. I shouldn't say that, but we'll see what happens. I should tell you that this trail is now a badge of honor trail for the Jeep community. You can get a badge of honor. I'm not sure how it works, but it is a badge of honor trail. But I can also tell you it is a rough trail. The Mesabi Mountain Trail and the wrecker don't really have a good history. The very first time I took the wrecker out here, we had a catastrophic failure. And the second time I took the wrecker out here, we had to tow Joe's buggy back, and that didn't go very well. The third time I had the wrecker out here actually went pretty good, but we still had some trouble with the wrecker. And then this is the fourth time I've been on this trail with the wrecker. Well, we made it into where we had to leave Ruby. Now the real work begins. Got it hooked up. We're going to back in here a little bit and hopefully turn it around. We'll see. So Brandon's going to ride in it to keep the steering wheel straight, and we're going to see if we can get out of here. So you're turned a little bit right now. Yep, put your seatbelt on, that's for sure. came through that okay. Let's keep going. It's awful slow going with the wrecker, picking your way through and over all the rocks. Like always, we break the wrecker when we come out here, and check this out. We busted a lockout. Can't quite make it up this. We're gonna have to winch to a tree, I guess. So we hooked onto a tree, a big oak. We'll see what happens. So we ran out of direction there. We'll see if we can climb this in two-wheel drive. I don't know. Otherwise we might need a little help. Well, climbing that in two-wheel drive put us a little too close to the edge. So we enlisted the help of a Jeep to pull us up over the top. Okay. Ground, more or less. Well, we have a shackle bolt that's broke. This is just not our day. But we can make it, hopefully, without replacing the shackle bolt. Came through that okay, but I don't think my rear brakes are working. Towing one out of here is a challenge, and anybody who says different, I'd be willing to let them try. Well, there's the bridge. That means we're almost out. show you the damage here when we get back to camp. Both the wrecker and the Rubicon, they're not looking too good. Well, sweetheart, everything is broke.
I heard.
Yeah.
But I'm glad it broke on you and not me driving it down the highway.
Right.
I'm very glad you tested it for me.
Yep. But
Thank you.
the wrecker's broke too.
I thought it was only Ruby.
No, the wrecker is busted up pretty bad too. So we have to fix a shackle.
Oh, that's your Achilles heel. You're
Yeah,
fine.
and we have to fix the brakes in the rear.
Okay, that's not good.
That's serious. And we have a busted stub shaft. I found out it's not just the lockout, it's the stub shaft in the front.
Okay.
So we got to fix up the wrecker. So if nothing else, we can get Ruby on the trailer to go home.
She's gonna have to get on the trailer, but I can't help you.
I know.
I'm here just to supervise.
Yep. Okay. Well, you can supervise. We'll do the rest.
Sounds great.
How much further do we have to go?
Not much. All right. I'll loosen it up. Okay, so that's almost fixed for the shackle bolt. That was easy. Then comes the hard part. Okay, you got them as tight as you can get them?
Go.
Okay. So it's the next day, and we're putting the wrecker together as best we can. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team. Keep wheeling, be safe out there, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.